We have discussed Liebherr extensively in this series. The T282C haul truck in Video 3 and the R9800 excavator in Video 7. Also, the PR776 bulldozer in Video 19. Each of those machines reflects Liebherr's engineering culture in its specific product category. Each embodies the Swiss-German precision engineering tradition applied to a different set of mechanical challenges across the full breadth of the company's range. The Liebherr L586 is the wheel loader expression of that philosophy. It is the largest wheel loader in Liebherr's current production range. It is positioned at the top of a range that competes in the large to very large wheel loader segment, engineered with hydraulic precision. The L586 has an operating weight of 72,000 kilograms and a bucket capacity of approximately 14 to 19 cubic meters. Its target market is the large quarry, medium-sized mining operations, and large civil construction projects, the space between construction and ultra-large mining. In this space, the L586 competes against Caterpillar's 992 class, Komatsu's WA700 series, and Volvo's L350H. It is among the most precisely controllable. Operators describe it as the most cost-effective over its lifetime. Sophisticated buyers evaluate total cost of ownership rather than specifications in isolation. Before the drivetrain or hydraulics, we must understand what makes wheel loader engineering different from excavators or trucks. It faces a specific challenge. The specific challenge is traction management during crowd. When a loader pushes its bucket into a pile, the rear axle force converts to forward push. Efficiency depends on traction between tire and ground. In areas with variable surfaces, hard, soft, dry, or wet, traction availability changes unpredictably. The machine's ability to sense traction change and prevent wheel spin before it starts determines how efficiently the crowd phase proceeds. Liebherr's approach, through the L586's hydraulic drive and integrated traction control, produces the precise, controlled crowd behavior that defines this machine. The Liebherr L586 uses a hydrostatic mechanical drive system, a hybrid between the pure hydrostatic drive of the Liebherr PR776 bulldozer and the conventional mechanical powertrain. In this system, hydrostatic drive handles lower speeds, specifically the crowd speed range where precise traction is crucial, while mechanical drive handles higher speeds for efficiency. This hybrid approach is often called a power split transmission. At low speeds, the hydrostatic path carries most power. At high speeds, the mechanical path dominates. The transition is managed by control electronics and is invisible to the operator. The machine behaves as a continuously variable transmission across its full range. In the crowd phase, low speed, high force, the hydrostatic drive's precise torque control modulates drive force in real time to match available traction. Wheel spin is prevented before it starts because the hydraulic system can reduce drive force in milliseconds, faster than spin develops under most conditions. The result is more productive crowd time. The machine pushes efficiently into the pile continuously rather than intermittently stopping to recover from wheel spin events. At higher travel speeds, during an empty return or a loaded carry, the mechanical drive path provides efficiency that pure hydrostatic paths cannot match. By shifting to mechanical drive at higher speeds, the L586 maintains travel efficiency while still having hydrostatic precision available when it matters most. Integrating these paths requires sophisticated control electronics. Liebherr's system uses sensors to monitor speed, demand, and traction, adjusting the balance for optimal performance. The bucket hydraulics use Liebherr's standard high-pressure architecture, characterized by precision manufacturing and the same fluid management philosophy found across their entire range. The lift speed and hydraulic response reflect Liebherr's specific calibration, offering a unique feel compared to other loaders in the same size class. This relationship between control input and machine response reflects the distinct tuning philosophies that set the Liebherr L586 apart in the field. The Liebherr L586's engineering precision is most visible in the loading cycle's efficiency. Efficiency is the ratio of productive work done to energy consumed and time spent. In a large quarry where the L586 loads trucks continuously through multiple shifts, small improvements in cycle efficiency compound into significant differences in tons moved and fuel consumed. The traction control's prevention of wheel spin is the largest single contributor to this efficiency. Each wheel spin event wastes energy and converts drive force to heat and tire wear rather than forward motion. An L586 that prevents wheel spin through hydraulic traction modulation avoids both energy and time waste. This prevention produces measurable differences in productivity relative to machines that manage wheel spin reactively. The dump sequence is another area where the L586's hydraulic precision delivers measurable benefits. The accuracy with which material can be placed in a truck bed depends on the precision of the bucket tilt control. A hydraulic system with consistent response delivers accurate dump placement, reducing spillage and improving payload distribution. The hydraulic tilt control meets this precision standard across the full operating temperature range. The L586 is equipped with Liebherr's LiDAT telematics and the LICON control system. LICON is an integrated platform that manages the hydraulic system, drivetrain, and diagnostics from a single architecture. This integration produces a machine behavior consistency that operators notice in the repeatability of the machine's response. When Liebherr first deployed LICON, it confirmed that control system integration would improve operating consistency. Operators reported the machine felt more predictable from a cold start to full operating temperature. This consistency translated into higher operator confidence, more productive operation, and lower machine abuse. The Liebherr L586 is most competitive in European quarry and construction markets. The market segments where Liebherr's brand reputation and service network are strongest. German, Austrian, Swiss, and broader European companies have strong affinities for Liebherr equipment based on decades of accumulated field experience. This is built on strong dealer relationships and the genuine engineering quality that Liebherr consistently delivers to its partners in the industry. In mining applications, where the L586's size class serves medium-scale operations, it competes effectively globally, where specific application conditions match its engineering strengths. Aggregate quarrying, limestone mining, iron ore operations, and gold mining with moderate production volumes are among the applications where precision produces competitive ownership costs. The competition in this size class is significant. Caterpillar's 992K, Komatsu's WA800, and Volvo's L350H are all capable machines with strong market positions. The L586 competitive advantage is most clearly expressed in applications where hydraulic precision and long-term reliability are the primary purchase criteria. The Liebherr L586 represents the application of Liebherr's engineering philosophy to the wheel loader category, the same philosophy that produced the T282C and R9800. Precision over power, reliability over peak performance, long-term cost of ownership over initial specification comparison, an approach that produces unique machines. They perform differently from their competition, not better in all dimensions, but better in the specific dimensions that matter most for their designed applications. The development trajectory for the L586 will follow industry trends: autonomous operation, electrification, and digital integration. Liebherr is developing these capabilities today. The hydrostatic mechanical drive system is well suited for autonomous operation. The precise torque delivery provides the controllable behavior that autonomous control systems require. This allows the machine to perform the crowd sequence reliably without human operator judgment. Electrification will follow as energy storage technology matures. Whatever those developments bring, the L586 will carry Liebherr's engineering culture forward. Precision, reliability, the long view, complexity in engineering, simplicity in operation. That is what Liebherr brings to every machine it makes. and at the top of its wheel loader range, the L586 is the fullest expression of that commitment. Next, we move to the last of the 25 giant machines in our series, the Komatsu WE235SU, the largest electric wheel loader that Komatsu has ever built. A machine that brings Komatsu's mining ecosystem philosophy to the top of the category, answering the challenge of applying electric drive technology. The engineering story is compelling, and we are completing the first quarter of our 100 video series.